guys, it's Mini-Me here. I'm going to be putting a hat on my dog. It's a cute little Christmas hat, and she looks so cute in it, so yeah. So you take the hat, basically, you put it on her head.
Yeah.
Like this. Oops. Come here, Daisy. Okay, so this is not working. How do I do this again? Okay, there we go. Okay, so then you take her ears and you put them through the little holes on the hat. And yeah, so like this. And that's Days Droid, the puppy from outer space. It's Days Droid.
Oh, jeez.
You look so sad.
You look so uncomfortable.
It's so cute. Daisy.
Oh, they have done right.
I do.
Look at her poor little ears.
She's like, get it off my face. Alright, Daisy, come here. Come here, hat woman. She's like, bleh. Come here, Daisy. Come here, hat woman. The hat's not on right. There we go.
You are terrible at taking videos. The videos never actually end.
It's Daisy with the hat. It's Daisy with the hat. There we go. There we go, Daisy. Come here, Daisy. Come. Come, Daisy.
You have to have like small logos. Like when you $7. Oh my God.
All right, well, we're leaving the world of Mini-Me.